How can we be convinced in the law of karma? How can we believe that from non-virtuous actions comes suffering, and from virtuous actions comes happiness? How can we be convinced that it is true? So first, we need to have faith in Buddha. That's the starting point. Why? So Geshe explains in Joyful Path, because we cannot prove by reasoning exactly how each individual action produces its own effect. Only Buddhas can see these relationships exactly. Okay, so because a Buddha's mind is completely pure, omniscient, knows everything, and because the only wish of a Buddha is to benefit others, because of these two, it is impossible for a Buddha to teach anything that is false. I make it short, but it is impossible for a Buddha to teach anything that is false. So what does Buddha is teaching? So Buddha said, for every action we perform, we experience a similar result. For each action, every action we perform, we experience a similar result. So because Buddha is saying this, because of its nature, his nature, then we know it is true. Therefore, if we put in a different way, for every negative action we perform, we experience a similar result, which means suffering. And for every positive action we perform, we experience a similar result, happiness. So we can believe Buddha. Consequently, from non-virtuous actions comes suffering. And from virtuous actions comes happiness. So that's one way. Using our faith in Buddha, understanding his nature, ultimate nature, then we can come to this conclusion, to this belief. From non-virtuous actions comes suffering. From virtuous actions comes happiness.